news, Connie Ferguson sends sweet tribute to her daughters. Daughters who have warm and solid relationships with their mothers can be regarded as totally blessed. In an interview with Oprah Winfrey, Beyonce Knowles, Carter once mentioned that inasmuch as she loves and appreciates the close and loving relationship that she shares with her husband, JayZ, no relationship could ever be more empowering than the one she shares with her close female friends, especially her mother, Lawson. The above sentiment easily applies to television producer Connie Ferguson and the close relationship that she shares with her beautiful daughters. The mother of two recently took to Instagram and expressed her gratitude for her daughters, Alicia Ferguson and Lisette Maximian. These three ladies share a close bond and Connie clearly deeply loves her baby girls. We suspect this was the very circle that embraced her after weathering a recent storm, where certain players in the entertainment industry came for her and husband, Shona Ferguson, for allegedly mistreating and underpaying a number of actors and crew members through their production company, Ferguson Films. "How did I get so lucky? I love you. You're everything a parent could hope for and more," the actor and producer wrote.